Hello and welcome to another brief demonstration of inheritance of state machines in Papyrus-RT. So, since the recent 0.9 release, we have some new development in the support for inheritance of the behavior state machine of a capsule. So here we have two capsules with state machines in a generalization relationship. So we see the original parent definition of a state machine here, the inherited state machine in capsule 2, and of course it redefines this state in order to make a nested diagram for that composite state. So that's all stuff we've seen before. Now, what is new is that this capsule 3, which specializes capsule 2, also now inherits a state machine, as we can see by the decoration on the state machine in the Explorer. So now what we can do is we can create a new state machine diagram for that. And as usual, we do a refresh to get the layout to match the superclass. Of course, this composite state does not yet have a nested state machine diagram. Everything is in its default condition. So if then somehow we edit the model to remove the generalization relationship that causes the state machine to be inherited by capsule 3, so if I remove the generalization relationship from capsule 2 to capsule 1, for example, then of course capsule 3 can no longer inherit the state machine, and so that state machine and its associated diagram go away. And of course the same in capsule 2. It had inherited the state machine from capsule 1, in fact had redefined one of the composite states to make a diagram, so that diagram and everything else, they all go away. So let's just go undo here to get back the stuff we were working with. That's good. So that handles the case of creating a diagram for a state machine in a capsule that specialized another capsule but had not yet defined, in the way it worked in the 0.9 release, had not yet defined, created a redefining state machine. Now it's inherited and we can create diagrams for it. The other case, of course, is when we're creating a new capsule. Let's call it capsule 4. Let's make it inherit capsule 1, for example. And so now it inherits the structure of capsule 1, also the state machine, and now, because probably we're going to want to edit the state machine, we create a diagram for the user. So that's how the accelerated workflow for creation of new content going forward. And of course that starts out, as any diagram does, inheriting everything from the superclass. And of course I can change the inheritance of this thing too, and then it no longer inherits the state machine and structure and anything else from capsule 1. So there you have a brief look at the inheritance of the behavior state machines in capsules. Thank you.